guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How2, and this is text animation using Android series. In this series I'm going to show you how you'll be making text animation videos, just like the intro video you saw there, using your Android phone. Like, how cool is that? Just your Android phone. Okay, so here's a quick sample of type of videos you can be expecting to make using your Android phone.
Text animation has never been more easier. Branding just got much more cooler. Promotional videos, tell it in style, show them what you've got, do it your way. Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's mix something for you.
Great. So basically that was made using an Android phone, and if you keep watching the videos I'll be releasing subsequently, I'll show you how you can make videos like that too in less than 30 minutes using your Android phone, using just your Android phone. Okay, so the channel is new, so if you want to get notified when videos are released subsequently, please hit the subscribe button so you get notified ahead of others of new releases. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll get started making animations.